A giant alien comet, the size of Kilimanjaro, is striking heading towards the Sun. A large comet, which scientists believe may have come from another solar system, is currently striking toward our Sun. The alien space rock, which is 3.7 miles wide and as tall as Mount Kilimanjaro, was first seen in 1986 using a homemade cardboard telescope. Nearly 40 years later, 96P Macaulay 1, which makes its closest approach to the Sun for more than half a decade after zooming in on Mercury's orbit. Experts believe it was sent into a strange orbit after being ejected from its native solar system by the gravity of a giant exoplanet. Later, its trajectory may have been distorted by a collision with Jupiter, astronomers say, which in turn entangles it around our star. The comet is also unusual in that it is low in carbon, containing less than 1.5% of expected concentrations of the chemical cyanogen, analysis has revealed, leading scientists to conclude that it may have come from another solar system. Now, experts hope to unravel more of the mysteries of the space rock on its way back to our star. It is currently being observed by the European Space Agency SOHU spacecraft, which has also tracked when the comet reached perihelion in 1996, 2002, 2007, 2012 and 2017. 96P is a very atypical comet both in composition and behavior. So we never know exactly what we might see. Carl Battams, an astrophysics at the Naval Research Lab in Washington, told, "The comet will make its closest approach to the Sun today, Tuesday, in 5 years, when it will be 3 times closer than Mercury." One of the many interesting things about the Macaulay 1 is how its size allows it to hold up. Most comets flying towards the Sun are usually smaller than 10 meters, meaning they burn up as they get closer. But the mammoth Macaulay 1 is protected from complete vaporization, enabling it to make 5 close flights since its discovery in 1986. It was discovered nearly 40 years ago by American amateur astronomer Don Macaulay, who is credited with the visual discovery of the 12 comets that bear his name. If the space rock is not of extraterrestrial origin because it is not from another solar system, then scientists say the cyanogen may have ejected via multiple orbits around the Sun. According to NASA, Macaulay 1 is the most frequent comet visitor of the SOHU spacecraft. The probe has seen more than 3,000 comets since launching in 1995, though its primary role is to monitor the Sun for coronal mass ejections or solar flares that can cause geomagnetic storms on Earth. Thanks.